Affinity Photo allows you to link layers, so any change to one layer is modified in all of the other layers. However, it doesn't do like transformations like rotation or scaling, etc. But it does if you go over to the links, pixel content, blending modes, opacity, etc. And this one I'm going to mainly go for the pixel content. Pixel content includes like filter effects, etc. Now, this image is in the description below. There's a zip file. You can please feel free to download this image and you can use it. So go to here and you can see it's just obviously visible, etc. Nothing to do with linked because of course there's only one layer at this point. Actually, to create a linked layer, just go to layer and duplicate linked. Now I've got a shortcut which I'm just going to use to create another couple. So I've got 4 in total. What I can do, I can also just rotate it as that is not stored away. So it doesn't matter. You can rotate and you can rotate that one. You can rotate that one. And you can rotate it obviously in different ways. And you can rotate that one. And you can see there I've got blending mode of lighten. Let's just go for that. So you've got here lighten, lighten, they're all lighten because you can see over there blending mode, they're all linked, lighten. Also you can change opacity and those sort of things as well. But what I want to show is pixel content. Pixel content is filters. So a filter, you can simply go to filters and there go to distort and deform. Now the processing is not instantaneous, not even in Affinity Photo. It just takes a few seconds to do that. So I'm just going to quickly add a few handles. And you can see the design there, but you can distort the image and you can see the effect there. It's not updated straight away. It's not automatically updated, which is a pity, but that's the way it works. And I can drag that over there and I can also change that to similarity and that's done like that. And that's why I've gone for lighten. I love lighten because you've got all these lovely colour streaks. However, I've just added a couple and I can now apply and it just will come up with a little sort of, might do it quickly, just has a mind of its own. Obviously deform, it will go through it, process it, and all of the layers will be deformed in exactly the same way. All be, if I could remove, I can't because they're all linked. So, but they are all now distorted. But that's linked layers and all these things are also, and I'm going to do other videos for opacity, visible, blending modes, etc. as well as layer effects with pixels. So what's your opinions of this? Please put some comments. Do you think this is a super useful feature? Can you see many ways of using it? I think it's an absolutely brilliant feature in terms of unusual pattern designs and all that sort of stuff, which I quite a lot of potential, this linked layers. Also, please a dislike or like, always appreciated. Nice to know if you like the video or not. Thank you much.